everyone. Today we would like to introduce our Pneumatic cupping machine. For this step, it's including one air screwdriver and one spring balancer and two rubber pads and two aluminum cups with 4 rubber pads. Now I would like to show you how it works. For this one, with this spring balancer, is used to put the machine on the production line like this, and you hand it on the production line, press it down when you're using it. So I would like to show you how to assemble the cups onto the machine. Like you can see, this one, for example, the cup size is 20 millimeters, and then I will use this copper for 20 to 30 millimeters. You put it on like this. This 4 rubber passes from 10 millimeters to 20 millimeters and 20 to 30. This one is 30 to 40, and this one is 40 to 50 millimeters. Like this, you put it on using the screw. Press down this ring. Put the driver. Put the screw on. And put it on. And then tighten it. Tighten the screw with the Allen key. Make sure you tighten it very close, otherwise when it's working it might fall off. Okay, so you can see this one here, the bottom is with, if you turn it to the right side, is to cupping the cups, and to the left side is to loosen the cups. So, and also this bottom is with speed 1, 2, 3 is to control the air speed. For 1 is lower, and to 3 it would be faster for the air controls. So as you can see, it's a pneumatic machine. You need to connect it to the air compressor like this. Put it on. Like that. That's all. Thank you for watching.